Hi, families of District 168. I know that this has been a tough time with getting to know computer programs, but hopefully this will help ease you into it. This is going to be a login tutorial for IXL. So when you get to the district website, what you want to do, the first thing you want to do is click Explore. Then under Quick Links, you're going to scroll down under Quick Links and go to IXL Login. When you get to the login screen, your student will have a username. I'm going to show you this test username that we have. It's the student's ID, and then you're going to hit the @CCSD168. So it will be whatever their username is at CCSD168. And then I'm going to type in the password. This one is for letters, and then you click sign in. Now, what pops up is a screen of recommendations that are suggested by the teacher. So these are all different activities that can be done. There's language arts, reading, math activities that are put out here. But the first thing we want your student to do is to take a test so we can see how they have grown after they've been using the program. So up at the top, this says learning. This is your first choice. Then the second one is diagnostic. Diagnostic is where we want to go. This means testing. This is where your students will take the test. So the first tab is learning. The second tab is diagnostic. So I will click on diagnostic because we want your student to first take the test. Then it says step into the arena. So we will click that, and it automatically will pull up the test. It will have math and reading questions here for your students to answer, and the student can read it, or you can click on the speaker.
How many shapes are in the frames?
So then your students would count, and then they would type the number in here using the keyboard. And there is an option here that says, I don't know this yet. So if the student is really confused, they could just click here if they don't know what to do. So you just say, I don't know this yet. Then it says, we'll make sure to work on it later. So then it goes to a different question. Now this one goes to a reading one.
Which sentence has the same meaning? This cookie is tasteless.
Okay, so now we're going to click this.
This cookie tastes bad. This cookie tastes salty. This cookie tastes sweet. This cookie has no taste.
And what I would suggest is going back to the question so you know what they're asking.
Which sentence has the same meaning?
And then you select one of these, and then you click the green button. And you keep doing that until you complete the test. So there's math and language arts, which is probably what your student will do. So have them complete the test. When the test is over, they'll know, and then they will go back to the learning section, and there's math and language arts that they can work on. They can just click on these activities, and then your teacher will know when your student has completed the activity because your teacher will be notified. When you want to log out, you go up to this student name, you click on it, and then you just click sign out. And that's all there is to logging in and out of IXL.